Okay. Dining room. The kitchen in the middle. And there's Raya from the Philippines. Counter, the dishwasher, and a small sink with Frigidaire and electric oven. Everything with plate and fridge and Raya again. Oh, kutsara. Waiter. And with Turon. That is Turon. Made in USA.
Sandok ko eh.
And then, that's Ira, the small girl with a very small brain.
Sorry po.
And
Talian ang buhok. Maraming tali. I don't want your hair na nakadito.
this is another room. No, it's a big bed. Extra bed.
Ako mahala dyan. Hindi ba?
And washing machine. Okay. The coats. Dapat maliwanag. Okay. Here's how it looks.
Ito pala. Wow. Yung pantry. Henry.
Now there's another room over here. Namaya. Jack is here?
Yes, I am.
Oh, sorry, Jack.
No problem.
I'm scanning the area.
That's a good plan.
Yeah, because I'm trying to build a big hotel in the Philippines. Okay. And they have two visitors.
They're eating breakfast.
Okay.
The Yaya, the Chacha.
Yeah.
We are eating breakfast.
They're always eating the whole day. They're eating. We're packing up because we're going to somewhere.
To the mountain.
Mountain. Snow mountain. And here, outside.
Wow.
You true? Okay, I gotta take the picture of the bathroom. Nobody is inside, I hope. No. Okay, a beautiful
The one
bath.
that you wear right now, Ian, because
Take this off.
See, very simple.
put that in your bag, and the one is better. The one with the shirting.
That's me taking picture.
Oh my God. Tito Henry crazy taking his picture in the bathroom.
Yeah. Not sitting, huh? Standing.
Tita, can I bring this and the other one just for in case?
Yeah. Let's put it on top of your
Tapos na, I'm through with that.
No, how about outside over there?
Oh, sure. You wanna go swimming on the lake?
Yung dito ay nakalagay yung mga ganun sa ilalim.
Oh, yeah, of course. And there's another. Oh, the dishwasher. They got everything here.
See, I got this too.
All you need to do is bring yourself and bring your food. Okay, you see? They have coffee maker.
Ano oras yung?
And cuchillo. And toaster.
Ano oras?
By golly. Let's open this. There, see?
Mga, sige, aga ako sa trabaho. Magagaling ako sa work mo.
Paano ito?
Hindi, may dalawa.
Beautiful place. Small, compact. There's a guy. The wild guy. The wild boy. Oh, there's another one. The Miss Philippines. And they're watching cartoon. Another room. This is the master bedroom with oh, there is Jack.
Are you eating? It's not locked. Feeling your coffee.
This one, that is a master bedroom. There's a toilet. Nice. Simple. Yeah, simple. Okay. Going out.
Not right now, honey. Not important right this moment.
Ano yung nano?
Okay. Ha?
Ano yung nano mo, anak?
I'm through. Okay, I'm going back to my room.
Pig was right there.
This is our bedroom. Twin. Beautiful. And the small. See that?
Very responsible.
Okay. Oh, the back side.
The guy is irrational.
And these are the three makulit na kids. Okay. And the beautiful. Woo-hoo-hoo. There. See? Beautiful. And this is me. See, there's a lake. See? The water coming down. The mountain. And this is back to our room. Okay. They're back to the kitchen. Still they're eating with a couple of chairs over here. See? Beautiful. Okay, this is the room. We're packing up. It's a television with a DVD and stereo.
I don't want to have to report you.
In the lamp. Beautiful with a big painting. Everything is beautiful with vacuum cleaner, everything. I got everything. The bathroom back again. See, got plenty of towel. The problem is going home. It's the toilet, the bathtub. It's nice, cool. See, simple. With paintings on it. And that's the hair dryer, see? Okay. Yeah? And there is our navigator. And Jack is driving. Sorry, Jack, I'm recording everything.
Oh,
So I don't miss a bit of it.
so me going the wrong way?
I don't think so.
That wasn't important.
The navigator is very good in navigation.
That's it. Make sure the story is right.
I just want to take a picture of the mountain. You see the snow on top of it?
Yep.
That's beautiful. You know.
She's right. One of those places is where we're supposed to go. That's where the tram will take us.
Uh-huh.
Go from the desert to the mountain.
Ah, that's cool. That's great. Because Elizabeth hasn't seen the snow.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be cool then.
I'm 9 years here. And this is my first time visiting.
I told her to bring one bag. I can fill it up with snow.
At least a cup.
So yeah. She can remember. Oh, I have snow.
Dami niyan. Panalo ko yung kagabi kahit $5.
Kumita naman pala.
Kumita pala eh.
Pinagyan ko na yung panalo ko sa...
Kumita naman pala eh. Oh, there's the tram. We're going up the mountain, up the hills. Ito sa bulsa ko. Para sa akin lang yun,
Ah, ganun? Each 20 ba?
Oh.
It's hard.
How are you guys? Beautiful. 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 Beautiful me.
It's $20.
How many ang matanda?
Sama ko sa kids. Hindi ka kasama sa kids. Ay, si matanda ko lang.
Ilan? 1, 2, ayan. Gusto ko kita yung 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, we're inside the tram.
It might be good.
T20.
Yeah, it's me. I'm here.
You're back. Put it here. That's right.
And the kids are there. Everybody is here.
I think everybody's here.
Everybody's here.
One better than the other.
And it's me.
That's me. Always good.
We'll travel over 5 towers. All of the towers have to be constructed by
Hello, kids.
You're on channel 4.
I'm not afraid now.
For the original Tramway, the helicopter flew some 23,000 flights without missing,
Nobody.
carrying a total of 1,200,000 pounds of materials through this rugged canyon.
Because we are playing.
As we approach tower number 2, top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along our journey.
Yeah, you can see how it's scarred from all the... See how there's...
As you no doubt already noticed, we experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transitioned from the track cable over the tower satellite.
Oh, I got a bump the mountain.
Wow.
The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland. And all moving parts and cables are Swiss made. The tower
Going up, higher.
7 miles, various sized cables
Scary.
for moving and communication of the tramway. The largest of these are the pack cables which will ride. They weigh
Look at that.
just
That's the bump.
That was the easy one, right?
halfway point on our
That's
trip
the hump.
between towers.
That's our big hump.
While the downward car is traveling much faster than the car, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed. Because both cars are tied together by the whole cable.
Yes, we're here again.
You see, the drive system at the Valley Station is pulling us down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart.
You see?
The Palm Springs aerial
Your
tramway
ears are
was
popping?
first
Okay,
conceived in
that's
the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Francis Cross, who to this day is known as the father of the tramway. The original tramway was